The Sustainable Pumping for Water and Wastewater course includes a suite of 12 calculators, critical to designing sustainable pumping systems. All the tools are developed from decades of field testing pumps, pipelines and fittings, and are available in both metric and US units. Hydrops is our premier phone app, allowing you to select the optimum pipe diameter for a specific pumping application without resorting to complex desktop calculations. It considers pipe supplier and lay costs, electricity costs, water volume pumped and flow rate, amongst other parameters. It tables the sum of pipe costs and energy costs for each pipe size over a given life cycle, with the optimum pipe being the one with the minimum value. Water Pumping Institute's flagship app is the Pump Selection Spreadsheet. It has 3 programmable system curves which bracket best and worst case field conditions, which are then used to select a pump to suit. Once imported, a pump's performance can be varied using either pump speed or impeller diameter to pre-trial the pump performance in its field environment. The software contains a library of a range of existing pumps which can be added to by the user. Our Good, Bad and Ugly software for VFDs helps choose a pump with a VFD that results in the best efficiency across a range of variable flows. It has 2 variable input system curves and a unique feature which allows the creation of a completely new pump curve to suit revised system requirements. The Pump Data Calculator Electric is our fundamental tool for calculating annual energy usage and greenhouse gas emissions from your chosen pump. It's definitely our most popular phone app. Calculate annual and amortized pumping costs over a range of selectable life cycles, such as 10, 15 or 25 years, and calculate annual carbon emissions in tonnes of CO2. The Pump Data Calculator for internal combustion engine pump drivers is great for calculating fuel usage based on brake-specific fuel consumption and the actual power required by the pump. It contains variations for diesel, petrol, propane and bio and renewable diesel. It includes an elaborate engine derating calculator and calculates emissions in tonnes of CO2 per year. Pipe Suite is our fundamental hydraulics calculator. It was born out of a need for a field data calculator and has 9 individual calculators in one, from friction loss with H&WC value, pipe diameter, water velocity and flow rate, plus water transit time, pipe volume, Hazen and Williams calculator, and a suction screen area calculator based on approach water velocity. It's hands down the best app to have on site. Our NPSH calculator for suction lift pumps calculates your available NPSH after allowing for lift, air pressure, vapour pressure, pipe, foot valve and fitting losses, and the biggest loss of all, velocity head correction at the eye of the impeller. It also calculates NPSH change due to pump speed change. The Site Test C-value is another one of Rob's gems, which he designed for field testing pipes Hazen and Williams C-value. This inputs head loss, flow, pipe diameter, and elevations of the head measurement points, then compensates for fittings and valves in the pipe to determine a corrected C-value for the pipe only. The equivalent C-value calculator takes a pipe with an assumed C-value, then derates the C-value accordingly from the effects of valves and fittings. This one's a great addendum to Rob's pump selection app and perfect for pipelines with complex fittings. The pump efficiency test current method utilises motor current and voltage, phase angle plus flow and head. It calculates pump efficiency and annual and amortised electricity costs. The Sewage Pump Test app is for testing pumps in a wet well by measuring inflow and outflow from water level changes. It also inputs current, voltage, phase angle and pumped head. Its outputs include pump efficiency, annual and amortised electricity costs, plus potential savings with overhaul or repair. And finally, our pump test log is an elaborate spreadsheet developed by Rob from over 40 years of on-site pump testing. It enables a test on a VFD pump to be carried out at reduced speed and then converts the test results into a full speed performance curve. It has numerous configurable allowances such as gauge and height corrections, column head loss, power adjustments for vertical turbine and submersible pumps, and measures power using either the current method or direct power input. You'll find this one is pure gold. All 12 calculators are available to download during the course, where you'll learn how to use them and see how they work with your own systems and data. This extensive range of calculators empowers you to create state-of-the-art sustainable pumping systems for any water or wastewater application. Water Pumping Institute is proud to be an international leader in sustainable pumping systems training. So get your hands on these invaluable tools